InterviewSim AI is one of the newest AI tools to hit the market, and if you're searching for a way to ace your next interview or level up your job preparation, this software might just be a game changer. In this review, I'll be walking you through 7 crucial things you need to know about InterviewSim AI before diving in, so stick around till the end to fully understand its potential. First off, InterviewSim AI is designed to simulate real interview scenarios, giving you the chance to practice your answers to common and complex interview questions. The AI-powered platform mimics real-life interviews, using cutting-edge natural language processing to understand your responses and provide real-time feedback. This kind of simulated practice could drastically improve your performance and confidence when you're facing an actual interview. The key feature that sets InterviewSim AI apart from traditional mock interviews is its adaptability. Whether you're preparing for a technical role or a soft skills-based interview, the AI can adjust its questioning style based on the industry you're aiming for. You get a personalized experience tailored to your job search needs, ensuring you're ready for anything. This means you're not practicing with generic questions. You're preparing with a set of questions that closely mimic the role you're applying for. Another standout feature is the detailed feedback provided after each mock interview. Once you've completed a session, the AI doesn't just tell you whether your answers were good or bad. It breaks down your performance, offering suggestions on how to improve. From your tone and body language, if using video features, to the structure and clarity of your responses, the feedback helps you pinpoint exactly where you can do better. But that's not all. InterviewSim AI goes a step further by tracking your progress over time. This feature is essential because it allows you to see how your performance improves with each session. You'll be able to identify patterns in your answers, track improvements, and even revisit previous sessions to refine your responses as you get closer to a real interview. Another advantage of InterviewSim is its availability on multiple devices. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or even your mobile device, you can access the platform and practice anytime, anywhere. This level of flexibility makes it incredibly convenient for busy professionals or anyone trying to get ahead in their job search without being tied to a particular location. If you're wondering about how realistic the experience is, it's worth mentioning that InterviewSim AI doesn't just provide basic question and answer formats. The AI uses advanced algorithms to simulate a range of interview scenarios, from a high-pressure interview with rapid-fire questions to a more relaxed, conversational interview style. This variation helps you prepare for different interview atmospheres and get comfortable with various types of interviewers. And here's the best part. You can try InterviewSim AI completely free. If you're on the fence about whether this software is right for you, simply click the first link in the description to start your free trial. No commitment, no catch, just a chance to test out the software and see if it's a fit for your needs. To sum it up, InterviewSim AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their interview skills. It's a highly adaptive platform, offering personalized feedback, tracking your progress, and providing a realistic interview simulation experience. If you're serious about acing your next interview, InterviewSim AI should definitely be on your radar. Before you go, check out my list of recommended AI software in the description below. After testing thousands of tools, these are the ones I personally believe can help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to try InterviewSim AI for free and start sharpening your skills today.